Hello TikTok online. Hey guys, how are you? Leonardo Paiva back with another video. In this video you learn how to turn off the online status on TikTok. Before that I invite you to subscribe to the channel. Here I make several tutorials to always make things easier for you. So guys, there are already other TikTok videos. If you have any doubts about other subjects, I'll leave you a playlist with other videos. So in this video you learn how to turn off the online status. Guys, it will depend a lot on your version of TikTok. There are two ways to do it. The first way is for you to click here below on the inbox. And you're going to check in your inbox if there's a little green circle. Some TikTok profiles have this little green circle. If you click on the little green circle in the inbox, you can turn off the online status. If your account doesn't have the little green circle in the inbox, you're going to click here on Profile. You're going to click here on the three lines and click on Settings and Privacy. In Settings and Privacy, you're going to click on the second option, Privacy. In Privacy, you're going to click on the second option again. So if this option is turned on, you and the followers who follow back will see each other's activity status. So if you have it that way, with that switch turned on, you're online on TikTok. So just turn off the activity status to go offline here on TikTok. Which option worked for you? Through the inbox or here in the privacy settings? Put it below in the comments. Subscribe to the channel for more tutorial videos. I'll leave it at that. A big hug. Stay with God. Thanks.